Hi guys. In today's video, I am showing you how can you permanently delete your Instagram account. The process will be quite simple and easy. The first thing is open your Instagram app. Once it will be open, tap on your profile icon, which is at the bottom right, and tap on these three lines which are at the top right, and tap on the first option, Settings and Privacy. And from here, tap on the first option, Account Center. Scroll down. And here's the option, Personal Details. Tap on this. And on the last, you will find the option Account, Ownership, and Control. Tap on this and here is the option, Deactivation or Deletion. From here, select your ID which you to delete. For example, I will select this. After selecting, tap on the second option, Delete Account, and then tap on the option Continue. And describe your reason why you want to delete your Instagram account. Like, I am selecting too busy, too distracting. After selecting your reason, tap on the option Continue. And again, tap on the option Continue. And for security purposes, you have to write your ID password. After writing your ID password, tap on the option Continue. After tapping on the option Continue, you will delete your account permanently on Instagram. So by using this method, you can delete your account permanently.